it will print the sum of n sequence numbers. Suppose user enters values 10. So what will happen that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up till 10, summation of the values from 1 till 10 will be displayed. Before understanding it, I'll just run it first. It is asking you to enter the limit. Suppose I enter the limit as 5. Sum of sequence number up till 5 is 15. How it has come? See, you entered the limit as 5. That value 5 will be assigned to this num variable. Okay. Sum is the variable where you will be adding the addition of from 1 to 5. You will add 1, then you will add the value 2 to some variable. So all the summation of 1 till 5 will be in some variable. So this sum variable is initialized to 0. For loop will go from 1 till 6. This is exclusive. So the loop will go from 1 to 5. The value of I is 1. So whatever will happen in this for loop, you are running this formula. The total of right hand side is assigned to left hand side. The value of sum is 0. The value of I is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And this 1 is assigned to the sum variable. So sum has become 1. For loop is over because no step is defined. So default step is 1. So the value of I will increment from 1, it will become 2. The control will go inside it. The result of this right hand side expression is assigned to the left. Sum plus I. Sum is 1. I is 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. That will be assigned to the variable on the left. That is to the sum variable. The value of I will increment to 3. It will come over here. The addition of these 3 plus 3 will be assigned to this sum variable. I will increment to 4. Sum has become 6. 6 plus 4 is how much? 10. The value of I will be incremented to 5. 10 plus 5 is how much? 15. And this 15 is assigned to some variable. After that the value of I will become 6, which is not allowed. Sum of sequence number up till %d. The moment control will see %d, that is the format specifier. This %d will be substituted by this num variable's value. And num is 5. Sum of sequence number up till 5 is sum. The value of sum will be assigned here, which is 15. So you get the output as sum of sequence number up till 5 is 15. So this is what the output we got. See, sum of sequence number up till 5 is 15.